Hello, this is a proof of concept video for my app Appregator. That's what it's tentatively called. Before I explain much about it, let me demonstrate what a developer portal looks like. So as you probably already know, my Appregator is built off of technology that aggregates download statistics from various different developer platforms. So this is an example of one of the developer platforms. You can see it's got my list of apps, and somewhere on here, theoretically right here, it's got how many installs each app has respectively. The issue is it gets complicated when you develop for multiple platforms. So this is one platform. This is the Android platform. But if I wanted to go to for example, Windows Phone 7 platform, I'd have to log into this other website, which I'll do right here for you so you can see. And then I would have to navigate through their platform to find the relevant statistic information, and it takes a while. So now that I'm here, this isn't actually even necessarily true. I have to navigate to a different page, and that's where it actually gives me the true download information. And if I wanted to get aggregated revenue information, that's a whole other process. So it gets really complicated when you're dealing with multiple platforms. And keep in mind, there are people who develop for iPhone, Windows Phone, and Android, and BlackBerry, and all sorts of other ones, Symbian, and it gets really complicated when you have to manage all of those different accounts. So here's my app, Appregator, and what this allows me to do is it allows me to select an account type and then add it to the list. So I will do that right now. I'll add the Android account, and then I'll add my password, and once I've entered in my credentials, I'll click save. And now through my app, I can scroll over to the accounts, and you can see it's got my Android account. So I'll click the refresh button, and now it's going to start downloading my Android information. While it's doing that, I'm going to add my Windows Phone 7 account as well. So I'll go in here and enter in my Windows Phone 7 login credentials like I did in the website. And then I will add in the password. And then I'll click save. And you can see while I was doing that, it already downloaded all of my Android accounts. So if I scroll back over to accounts now, you can see it's got both my Windows Phone account as well as my Android one. So I'll click the refresh button again, so it'll start to download my new account information. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's all automated. So I just click the refresh button, and then, okay, there it goes. You can see it gets all of the accounts, all of the apps from all of my accounts, and aggregates it into one place. So what we've got here is we've got an icon for the app name, and then how many downloads it's gotten accumulatively. Now, on the flip side, I'm actually tracking revenue information. I don't display it yet, but I am capable of getting that information. So there's something I can do there. I haven't incorporated that into my idea yet. What I wanted for this was to pretty much sort of target more of the get in, get out idea, because sometimes these app places, the different platforms, will update their statistics at a certain time of day or multiple times a day. And like I showed earlier with the website, it can get kind of complicated when you have to log into all of those, especially if you were doing this from a mobile platform. So the cool thing about the app is you can do it from anywhere, literally, and you just click one button and then it'll download all of your statistics. And right now, that's all there is to this app. It's pretty simple, but it's still really useful. I would use it definitely myself if I had apps. I'm going to use it too when I release them. Also, I have this actually developed for the Android as well as Windows Phone 7. The ultimate goal is to make it for iPhone as well, and a web version of it, which should not be difficult for either of those. So that's sort of the direction that I'm hoping to head, and that's what it accomplishes. And I hope this is a good presentation for explaining what my idea is. And thanks for watching the video. If you have more questions, you can email me or whatever. Talk to you later.